What's up everyone, welcome to a new video. As you know already, in this channel you can find a lot of information about how I trade and some concepts about smart money, which are some concepts that I have inside of my strategy. Now, as I said already in many other videos or on my Instagram, if you follow me already, and if you don't, make sure to go follow me for also daily tips and to actually follow what I'm doing and my entries and my trades and so on. As I say many times, smart money is a great tool. It has some great concepts, but in my opinion, it is not something that makes you profitable. As you know, right now, it is very, very popular. A lot of traders are using smart money, including myself, keep in mind, but still the 90%, so the majority, 90% of traders, or maybe also 95% of traders are still losing money, as I say many, many times. And you might wonder why. Why everyone thinks that smart money makes a person profitable, but they still lose money. The reason why is because a system with an edge on the market is missing. Smart money has great concepts. They can be applied, they make you understand how the market moves. But if you don't have a system that is proven to work over time and is proven to give you that extra edge in the market, then it is not enough to actually be profitable. Of course, mindset and psychology plays a huge role, and you might argue that 90% of traders also lose because of that, and I agree that it plays a role inside of the overall 90% of traders, but this is not the only thing. Keep in mind that smart money needs to be contextualized inside of your strategy. With that being said, I hope that you will like this video. Make sure to subscribe, because I will drop 1 or 2 free videos with free education here on my YouTube every single week. And if you want to join my course for some extra education and to actually learn how I trade and to follow my setups and my entries, then the links are here below. I'll see you in the video.
Hi guys, this is Abby from Forex XL. Today we will talk about higher time frame bias and how to enter in 1 minute time frame. So let's get started. Here in our example in pound JPY, as you can see, the market is in a bearish trend. So why it's in a bearish trend? So as you can see here, this high here didn't broke, so it has this lower high and lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. So that's why it's in a downtrend. So our bias now is a sell. So as you can see here, we wanna make sure that we identify the supply zones in the current market prices. So I identified this as a valid supply because this is the last app candle before this break. So as you can see here, this is a break of structure of this low, and then I identified this as well as supply zone because it also broke this structure and have this impulsive move to the downside. So as you may see here, if you just notice as well that this equal high here has been swept on this move. So let's try to take a look. So this one here is, for me, is from like a bearish structure and have a shift to a bullish structure. So we are in a 1 hour time frame. So if you could try to look that in lower time frame, like 15 minutes, as you can see that the price or this move during London session is have a liquidity swept, because this is an equal high, and then it swept above it, swept the liquidity above. So it's like changing from a bearish structure. So let me just show you. So it's like it's in a bearish, right, like that, and then it made this push to the upside. So it's a consider of change of character. But as you may notice, it reaching this level here, supply level here, because prices have a corrective phase. So let's go back in 1 hour. So it's like correcting. So after the impulsive move to the downside, the price is now in a corrective phase. So it might be reached here. So let's try. So it tapped on this in our second supply, but as you notice here that there's a liquidity above here, and there's this imbalance here before our extreme supply. So let me just fill it out. So our in our analysis, or in our previous videos, once there's an imbalance in our chart, the price will fill it out, and before having a big move. So but sometimes it didn't fill right away, but for sure in the future it will be filled out. But let's see in our example. So the price is testing here on our second supply, right? So let us see if it will hold the price. So as you can see, this move right here have an impulsive move and filled out the imbalance, right? And swept the internal liquidity here, and tap on our 1 hour supply zone, or extreme supply zone here. So let's go down to 15 minutes time frame. So you can refine this at this level, because as you can see, this is the last up candle here on our area. But we want to make sure that we have a lower time frame confirmation. So as you may see, it's in a bullish trend. So we wanna see a bearish trend in lower time frame. So let's go on 1 minute time frame now. So let's clear this out, since it has failed the supply zone. So we wanna look at this. For me, this low here, I wanna see that it is broken to the downside. So since this is bullish move, right? So we wanna see a bearish trend shifting from bullish to bearish structure. So as you can see here, this is just a change of character, because after this move to the upside, it just corrected this have a correction on this phase. But you just take a look on the 1 minute time frame. There's a lot of liquidity resides on this area, right? On this area below on this area. And if you try to look on the 15-minute time frame, there's a lot of imbalances left that was made of this bullish move. So of course we want to take an advantage on that indicators that we have a confirmation that the price will go downside because it wanted to sweep the liquidity. So as I've said earlier, I wanted to see that this low will be taken by the market. So as you can see, okay, it broke off this structure here. Okay. So since we have a confirmation from like change of character from bullish to bearish, there's another confirmation that the price is going downside. So we want to take this zone as our supply. Okay. So since this is the last up candle before this impulsive break to the downside, so wanted to have a SL here above here. Okay. So your take profit is a decisional part, but as you notice in 15-minute time frame, there's a lot of liquidity below this swing low. And I can put the take profit here or on this low. But you can trail your stop loss if you wanted to. So let's go back to 1 minute time frame. Okay. So it had broke this low here. So let's see if it will go back. So the price come back on our POI, this one. Okay. So let's go on the 5 minutes. So if you try to look on the 5-minute time frame as well, this low here had been broken. Okay. So it continued. So during the London session, it made this impulsive move to the downside. So let's see if it will reach our target. So as you can see here, I think this is the Asian session. Yeah. So during Asian session, price is consolidating like this one or ranging. So there's no momentum. So I think you can place your take profit one anywhere on this one because as you can see on the 5-minute time frame, this area have a significant zone because it started to have a bullish trend like this. So it may be testing this zone and it might push to the upside, but you can still trail your stop loss. So this low broke and okay. So during London session, Asian low has been swept, as you noticed here. So it continued to the downside and reached our target. So let us continue. So during the London session, price did this impulsive move to the downside and reach our target. So as you can check on higher time frame, the liquidity below, because when you try to check on the left or in the previous dates, it is considered as equal high. So price or market could have been swept this all the buyers here or the sell stops here. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Bye-bye.